If you thought dancehall was cooling off in 2026, the fans have made one thing very clear: dancehall, Saya, stall. This year's viral wave is not just about who has the biggest name, it's about who has the sound that makes people stop scrolling, run the song back, and say, wait, what was that? At the center of the conversation, tracks like Tattoo Designs, Thank God show exactly how powerful TikTok can be when the right line meets the right mood. The song caught fire with fans using it like a victory anthem, especially for that "I'm still here, you couldn't stop me" energy. Then you have Deportees Too Pretty, which is building from the street parties upward, getting love in the girls segment, and turning into one of those records that feels bigger every time a selector drops it. Weekday. And Emotions also tapped into that viral formula with Pretty, proving that simple, catchy, confident records are still undefeated when the crowd connects. But 2026 dancehall is not only about fresh faces. The veterans and heavy hitters are still moving the culture. Shaggy linking with Beres Hammond and Dexter Daps on Dancehall Nice brought a different kind of reaction because fans love when the genre reminds them of its roots while still sounding current. And with new drops from names like Masika, Bibbs Cartel, Jazz Elise, Capleton, and more, the scene is showing range. Street anthems, melodic cuts, culture-heavy rhythms, and crossover records, all fighting for space in the same playlist. The fan reaction has been split in the most dancehall way possible. Some people want the raw juggling, the party energy, the bass line that makes the whole room move. Others are debating whether trap dancehall has gone too far, asking for more authentic Jamaican rhythm and less copy and paste sound. But that debate is part of the reason dancehall stays alive. The fans don't just consume it, they argue about it, defend it, remix it, dance to it, and push it global. So the ultimate 2026 breakdown is simple. The viral hits are coming from everywhere. The streets still matter, TikTok matters, legacy matters, and the fans are the real chart. If the song makes people dance, quote it, post it, and fight over it in the comments, that's the hit.